Hey Joe, this is Nate coming to you live from Tameron Hyundai. We are located 1 mile north of the Galleria here on Highway 31 in Hoover. I want to reach out to you with a quick video walk around of the exact Sonata that you inquired about. This vehicle does feature the honeycomb grille as well as the wraparound headlights. We do have the aluminum alloy wheels on this vehicle, turn indicator in the mirror. We do have the blind spot monitoring. We do have the keyless entry, and if you'll come inside, I'm going to show you a couple of quick features of the interior. This vehicle does have the Yes Essentials fabric with the polysteel protection. We also have the 7-inch monitor display with the Android Apple CarPlay. Once you Bluetooth your phone to the system, that's going to allow you hands-free operation to answer text messages, send phone calls, things of that nature. This vehicle also has the drive mode with the heated seats. And the best part about it, Joe, is the warranty on Hyundai. 5 years, 60,000 mile bumper-to-bumper protection. Man, you can't find that on Ford, Toyota, no one except for Hyundai. Also, it's going to have a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty on it. But here at Tameron, we're going to double that for you and make it 20 years to 200,000 miles. Come see me. Again, my name is Nate. 205-287-2321. Tameron Hyundai. Joe, you're going to love the way you're treated.